Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create cinematic horror text intro animation in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut and I have created a project. And first thing first, I'm going to add text to my project. I'm just going to type in cinematic like this. And then you have to go to the font and change the font. I recommend you to search for the fetching font, this one guys. Okay, it will make your tags more cinematic and get horror vibes. And after that, we're going to add effect to this video. You're going to go to the effect, and then you have to search for the horror effect. Okay, and there will be some options for you guys, and I'm just going to select the shadow where it says shadow, this one. Okay, just tap in just click on the shadow, and this is the result. As you can see that the cinematic horror text intro animation has been created. You can also add animation if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a cinematic horror text intro on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.